1-2. Determine when segments are congruent. Number 5. A. Identify the segment bisector of line segment RS. Find the value of X, then find the value of line segment RS. So if we take a look at the image here, we see that the two images here are congruent. Why? Because it says it's a bisector. Bisector means two equal pieces. So the two equal pieces here is line segment RM is congruent to line segment MS. So now you can plug in the values. 6x minus 2 is equal to 3x plus 7. Now we can solve for it. Let's move the variable first. So minus 3x to both sides. This is going to get you 3x minus 2 is equal to 7. Then you are going to add 2 to both sides. This is now going to get you 3x is equal to 9. Divide 3 to both sides. Now you're going to get x is equal to 3. That's the value of x. Now you want to find the value of RS. Please notice that line segment RS is made up of RM plus MS. So we can add these two together. 6x minus 2 is what line segment RM is. Then we're going to add MS, which is 3x plus 7. Let's combine some like terms. 6x plus 3x is 9x. Minus 2 plus 7 is plus 5. That is what RS is equal to. Now let's plug in the values. The 3 is going to replace the x. So it is 9 times 3 plus 5. 27 plus 5, which is 32. So RS, line segment RS is equal to 32. Now we have B. Let me move the image over so we can have a better look at it. Given that T is the midpoint of line segment QR, find the value of X, then find the value of QT. Here you have that T is the midpoint. The midpoint creates two equal pieces. The two equal pieces here are QT is congruent to TR. You could also notice by these red hashes. Now we can substitute it in. 4x minus 10 is what QT is. That's going to equal to 78, which is TR. Now let's solve for the X. Add 10 to both sides, giving you 4x is equal to 88. Divide 4 to both sides to get x alone, giving you x is equal to 22. That is what x is. Let's look at what QT is. QT is just this piece, which is just made up of 4x minus 10. Let's substitute it in. 4 parentheses 22 minus 10. 4 times 22 is 88 minus 10, which is going to be equal to 78. That is what QT is. There you go.